This tutorial is a very simple illustration of just how to use the referenced formulas. Sometimes if you were to make a formula, you would type in your equals, if we're going for force, 3 times 9.81. And you would get the result, which is exactly what we want, which is 29.43. However, the more efficient way to do this is actually, instead of typing in the values, actually to reference the cells. So in this case, that would be 3, still use the same times symbol, and then times the other cell. So these two cells, again, you can see here that this 3 is represented by A3, which is column A, row 3, and this is B3, again, column B, row 3. And so once we do that, we get the same number, 29.3, but what's handy here is that when I change this mass, if that needed to change for some reason, the force automatically changes rather than having to go in and redo the entire formula.